Hello?
Hello, this is Mallory with VapeWild. Is this Richard?
Yes, it is.
Hey Richard, I work with influencers and I'm a huge fan of your channel. I had an idea and I thought you might be interested in it.
What's up?
Well, we've had a lot of great things happening at VapeWild. We've launched a new site, a membership program, and we've expanded into our new headquarters. We're ready to share what the true VapeWild experience is. Would you be interested in coming to Addison and spending the day with us?
The VapeWild experience. Yeah, that sounds cool. I'd be interested.
Wait, really? That's great. When works for you?
How about Monday, February 25th?
Yeah, that sounds good.
It's a plan then.
All right, we'll see you then, Vaping with Twisted 420.